So if you're watching from the last video, I'm still in the same clothes, same day, same everything, but some parts have arrived. Just the joys of editing, isn't it, really? So this is a new video. I'm going to show you what I'm up to. First things first, let's do a cut-off switch to stop this from happening again because it's a pain in the ass. So what we do is, so we need to put this on, really. We'll do it to the negative one, I think. Maybe, yeah. So we put the black knob here. I think on this side, is it? Probably not. It's probably on this side. This side looks prettier. Does it? No, it'd be on this side. So fit that on here. Whoa, my dress. So I'll undo this. And then that will go on there like that. And then I can unscrew it. So I'm going to set up the tripod and go from there. Job number one is complete. Turns out I put it on upside down. It wasn't making a contact. So yeah, it's on now. So you can hear the radio going. The radio, it doesn't work now. And she's back on. So that is a job well done. So let's take that off because we knew how annoying this was. So fit battery kill switch. This is good. Battery kill switch fitted. So now the phantom radio cannot work, which is good. Goodbye, phantom radio. Fixed. Very good. Very, very good. So we'll test it. So the battery isolator's off. And we put ignition on. We have nothing. And then all we need to do is just tighten up that. And great stuff. That is absolutely awesome. So happy with that. That's what I'm going to do. I'll probably coat this in some copper slip just to keep that from ever seizing because that's not what I want. So yeah, that's very, very good. Impressed with that. So next job is CV boot. Because the car's so low, the vehicle just cannot cope with it and the drive shaft angle is just all wrong. So that's the cause of the CV boot grease everywhere. So we'll just throw a new stretchy boot on. The other side is holding up very well with a universal stretch boot on it, and because it's holding up so well, I just think it's because of the drive angle and it going up and down all the time. I just think it's excellent having a stretch boot, especially for this car. What's that beeping noise? Was that the truck? No, it's not. We're still going. But yeah, that's the theory of it, is that because it's a stretch boot and the car goes up and down so much and this, that and the other. I think it's the ideal thing. If it ever fails again, the inner boots are looking a bit crusty anyway, so I reckon it will need a seat and some new drive shafts in the future. If the outers go again, I'll just fit another stretchy. But if the inners go, new drive shaft time. There's no point. Tyres looking a bit cracked. Again, this car was just stood for so long that it's just it's been a bit of a nightmare. And I don't envy people who try and recommission cars that have been sat for a long time, because they've been sat for a long time, they just get extremely abused. So yeah, this wheel now full of CV grease, which is insane. Full of CV grease. Oh, spigot ring. How did I do this last time? Oh my god, shocking, terrible job. Spacer, DIY spacer, terrible, but works. 19. That wasn't very tight. Hammer time. But yeah, let's move this out of the way, give it a couple cracks, and just hope it breaks free. There we go. So that's broken free. Did I undo the drop link? Probably did. So let's see if I can undo it. That'll give that lower arm a bit more flex because we're just looking to do it in situ, you see. So when you do something, you think to yourself, why have I done it? So if we go here, we can see the drop link I've just taken off to gain some more lower arm movement. Look at how floppy that is. The top is quite nice and tight still, but the bottom ain't doing a lot, so that's not good. So yeah, that'll have to be replaced. Not anytime soon, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. The boots are okay, but that's just something to probably put on the list. You can blow the budget on these vehicles. You really can, quite easily. I just like to do the safety things, make sure the car's safe and fit for the road. And if it is, the rest will be all right. So we go like that. And the lower arm, because I took the drop link off, see how that's just gone. So that's good, isn't it? Oh, who decided to be a mechanic? It's a bad job, innit, really, in the grand scheme of things. In the grand scheme of careers, this is a bad job. Okay. Let's have a clean up before we get the boot tool out, so I'll catch you once it's clean. Well, you're gonna have to stick around for a bit because I can't get this clean. I can't touch my phone with these greasy paw prints, so let's just give it a bit of a clean. I'm not gonna go mad. Oh wow, CV boot. Oh no. Big mistake, probably, and it's just automatic rust proofing. Front wheel drive is great till this happens. My front wheel drive kind of kid me. I know that's a bit soft, isn't it? But I'm safe like that. Oh God. If you're watching this, Baz. I'm using elbow grease, Baz. Be proud of me. I only use it because of you. I've been influenced by home bargains, Mr. Bazzaroni. Hope you're happy. Is it any good? Oh God, it's strong. Right, let's let that drip for a bit. Cool, let's go and get a CV boot tool from the garage down the road. Let's see if they'll lend it me. So we are using the Classic Car Garage's little CV boot tool. So when that goes on, okay, it goes on like that. So we're using theirs because I don't own one of these because I don't fit stretchy boots unless it is my own personal cars because I don't think they're that good overall. But yeah, let's see if we can get this thing to work. And if we can, excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. We have the tool on. Let's turn the compressor on. And let's wait for this thing to do its thing. Okay, so the CV boot is off. Let's try and uncover what clips they've used. They've used the original ones are steel cable tie things. They actually work quite well. So, Jeepers Creepers. Oh, okay, that's the CV boot off. Right, as for all the grease there, it's actually all clean because I actually caught this boot very early. It's only driven maybe 10 miles on a knackered CV boot, so overall, she simply is ready just to accept the new one. So let's see if we can do it all in one take. And if we can, excellent. Just trying not to do that. It's typical Citroen drive shafts. They don't have clips on the drive shafts, do they? So they just pop off, which is what's just happened there. So we have to maybe put a bit of box oil in. We've lost not loads, but we've lost enough for me to be uncomfortable with. We keep losing it as well. Let's try and get this tool off quick. Oh God. So we've lost the smidgings of box oil. That's okay. That'll do. It's okay. We shall survive. The car and get this clip on and get it on. Right. Oh God. CV boots and greases are not fun for me. Okay, that's worked. Okay, keep going as hard as I can. Right, that's not going anywhere. Okay, that's good. Okay, so that's actually worked. The R-clip pliers were the tool for that specific job. Okay, that's good. That, my friends, is a universal CV boot on that, which matches this side. That is lovely, isn't it? Lost a bit of gear oil, so I need to put some box oil in, but that's good, isn't it? She's done. Okay, so we have drop link tie. Ball joint is on. And CV boot looks pretty good. So I'll call that a win. Let's get the hell home. Well, let's top up some box oil first and then get the hell home. But we're looking good here now, which I'm happy about.